Hello friends. On this YouTube channel, I regularly publish videos on how to make money on Forex with a minimum lot size of 0.01 and minimum risk. I use a self-written pro intraday EA that I run on a real Forex account. By trading Forex with this EA, you can earn regular income every month with 0.01 lots. Let me show you how to access this product. But first of all, if you are interested in Forex, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and comment on videos if you have trades here. When you come to my YouTube page, there are 3 links you see here in the banner. Friends, now I will open these links one by one. When you click on these links in the banner, you will first see my Meta Trader. Redirects to my shop where you can rent EAs and indicators for both Meta Trader 4 and Meta Trader 5. The EA I use in this channel is the Pro Intraday EA 5. Click here to go to the page for renting this product. Now other. On our page, this product has a Twitter account. When you click on the Twitter logo in the banner, here is a link to the EA Twitter page, which also has links to how you can access it via MetaTrader. You can also access the Copy Trade Signal account, which allows you to open your own trades. This is also available for a fee, and the fees are quite reasonable. This account I am using, you can track the growth percent, the amount of cash, and the amount of assets. You can also see the transactions opened here. Of course, here you will be logged in first from your own account, and then you will be able to access the information on this page if you rent the signal, but you can already access this part. My safe amount is 932.63 euros. The asset is 1,165 euros. This asset varies according to the current live profit and loss situation of the current positions inside. I am running this EA on a live account with a total amount of about 290 or 300 euros. And I open trades with 0.01 lots. As you can see here, all the trades opened are opened by the EA. EA tells us 3 possible purchases every day, 3 possible purchases every day. And when it reaches these points, it opens trades in the buy or sell direction. And after opening the trade, here, you can also perform the operation according to the SL and TP points you specify. When these points are reached, whichever one of them comes, the trade is closed. You can find more detailed information about this on my own page on MetaTrader. You can see there is more detailed information available there, i.e. more detail that pictures and explanations are available. If you want to minimize your risk and if you want to do emotionless trading, you can use the algorithmic trading algorithm that I wrote the code for. Expert Advisor Pro Intraday EA. You can use this EA written in MQL5 language. Good earnings to everyone.